Hi, this is Swaminayadu Chalapareddy. In this video, I will explain how to replicate the CDSU into Datasphere. After that, how to import the some of the master data tables into Datasphere. After that, label-based hierarchy and text association, dimension association. Okay, we'll discuss in this video. Here see tables, right? Pack means it is the CDSU. SD CDSU I will import. SD CDSU. Sales document item related information, sales information. After that, dimension tables and text tables and hierarchy dictionary will discuss later. Hierarchy dictionary, relation dataset automatically when you are import and that one it is by default relational dataset. Okay. After that, create the graphical view. After that, it is the associations I will give. Okay. Go to Datasphere. Okay. Repository. Repository means it is the what is the objects. Here it is the in this repository explorer is there, right? Repository explorer means what is the objects we are importing. Go to Datasphere. Repository means it is the go to repository. Here also we can possible data builder also. The data builder, what is the objects are here? What is the object? Data builder objects. These are the data builder objects. Here it is the data builder part. This is the business builder. What is the objects are available? Business builder, new dimension, fact, consumption model, new fact model, authorization scenarios. What is the business builder? Data builder. We have all objects are available in repository. Okay, go to repository, create replication. In the replication flow, these options are available. Select container, select source container. Select source connection, select source container, add source object. First is select connection. I am choosing the connection, it is the S4 cloud public. After that, click here or here. Select source container. Which container? That one it is the tables or CDS use like that. I am selecting CDS container. Select and add source object. Okay. Type here sales document item. See, these are the CDS use. Okay, here it is the sales related CDS use. Here it is billing billing item basic DEX. I am not billing. I am not replicating. Only sales. sales sales document item DX1 sales. This is the I am selecting. Next, add cells. Okay, here it is 161 columns are here. Okay, target system, add the target system Datasphere. Our target system is replicating from S4 HANA to Datasphere. Here use the projections. Copy this. Already this one it is the explained in 14 videos. Again it is the I am explaining. Here it is any filters are required. You can add the filters also. Okay, previous it is the equal is given. Now it is the available all the filters. Greater than, lesser than, between, not between, like that. Suppose it is all data is not required here, but best practice is won't give the filters here. In the Datasphere it is the lot of option. Okay, save it. Here it is the settings. Here it is initial only, right? But this one it is the here see 161 fields are here, 161, but initial means always it is the full load. But this one transaction data, right? It is the huge volume of data sales. Suppose it is the any DMart or something, right? Everyday sales, it is the sales orders are very high, right? That is the reason it is the everyday full load means it is the take the time. That is the reason delta. Delta means new orders and changed orders will come. Okay, I will give observe here 161, 161. Okay, bye. 161, 161. When it is selecting initial and delta, select here. See, two fields are added. What is two fields here? Change date or change type or some two fields. Change type and change date. See, what is the fields? Column for delta capture. Column for delta capture. Okay, I am giving the initial and delta. When it is giving the initial and delta, this one it is the not required to task side. Automatically here see every 1 hour changed records and newly created records automatically will load into the target. Okay. Now initial data. Now simply just save it. This is the replication flow, right? Replication flow, sales order item. Okay, save it. When we are using the replication flow, that one it is the behavior like local table. Local table means physically import the data into Datasphere. Okay, when it is import, that one it is the virtual table. We'll see once it is complete. Okay, and deployed. Parallelly open one more tab. Here it is here this is the replication flow. I will explain if it is running, right? It will take time. Parallelly I am doing here import. Some of the tables I will import directly. This is running. Okay, once it is deployed, I need to run the data one time activity. After that, it is automatically it will run every hour. Okay, I am going to here importing some of the tables. Go to here. Again, it is the repository. Here, see import remote tables. Select your space. I am importing the tables from BW for HANA, BW for HANA DSP. Click next. Now here it is the different, right? It is the above tables. Above tables, I will import MAKT. MAKT means material test. MAKT. MARA is the material master data. MAKT is the material text master data. And after that, it is one more table, KNA1 also. KNA1 means it is customer master data. Click here. KNA1. See general data, customer master. Two tables I am importing. Here it is replication option, it is the import option. Okay, selected, import and deploy it. In case it is already imported, here it will show. Already it is already in the repository will show. But it is newly importing, right? That is the reason it is not showing. In case again we are import, these objects will show here. Imported successfully. See, two tables are imported. Two tables are deploying. Okay, we'll see that. Now, this one it is the deploying again. Not yet complete. Deployed. Direct replication flow run. Refresh it. Deployed. Okay. Once it is the deployed, it is the run. First one time it is the activity. Run means it is the data is the loading. Deployed. Here it is. Here see, try to create schedule. See what say for replication flow that contains objects with load type initial and delta or delta only. No schedule can be created. Schedule it is not possible because it is automatically here it is the every hour it is done. In case it is every 2 hours do you want, here see you can we can possible to change here. Okay. Go to monitor. Schedule it is not possible. Initial and delta. Go to monitor. This is the active. Operation is started. Now it is the 330 52 records are loaded. Refresh it. Completed. See, the active retrying objects means it is waiting for another run. Okay. In case it is the initial only, it will show completed. Again, every day it is the delete and full load concept. Okay, data is loaded, replication flow is completed. Go to our repository. Okay, here see, this is the, this one it is the, this CDSU it is the replicated local table. This is the local table. See, when it is the local table relational data set, remote table relational. These are the imported. These three tables are imported. Imported means physically won't store any data. By default, relational data set. Here it is see, relational data set is the relational data set. Semantic type semantic usage relational data set means it is the by default any import and import and replication default relational data set, but replication is the local table, but physically store the data. This one it is the physically stored data. When it is local table means physically store the data. When it is remote table means virtual data, won't store any data. Okay, now go to replicated, right? Now go to again it is the here I am creating four folders. Actually, this one it is the one TR. TR means relational table. One second. Here layer architecture, inbound layer. When it is inbound layer means it won't touch anything. After that, harmonization layer, propagation layer, repository layer. What is the layer architecture? We'll discuss also here. One tier SD 001, one folder. I will create one more folder to HL harmonization layer SD 001. What is the layer architecture also we'll discuss. Again one more folder, propagation 3, TL SD 001, last layer, final layer, reporting layer. I will give 4. Identification purpose 4, reporting layer 4RL SD 001. What is the use of layer architecture? Actually, it is the, here it is one space available. My space is this one GE 281255. In case in the SD 4 phases we have, FSCO 4 phases we have. Depends on the client, depends on the requirement. Okay, easy to identification purpose. Here see layer architecture means this is the inbound layer. Inbound layer means it is the identification, it is one. Means it is the, this is the initial layer where raw data for source system injected. Raw data where we are injected, that one it is the initial layer. Naming conversion often use prefix like 1. Okay, and same like it is the harmonization layer, second layer. Data from inbound layer. Data from inbound layer to this one. This inbound layer means data from any source system. Any source system. Okay. in Datasphere, any connect with any source system. Inbound layer means any source system to inbound layer. After that, harmonization layer, inbound layer to harmonization layer. Propagation means harmonization layer to propagation. Reporting layer means propagation layer to reporting layer. Prefix with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here see this data from inbound layer, it is the processed and standardized here. This layer often include the relational views, applied relational views, not fact views. Okay, applies filters, transformations, prepare data for the usage. This one propagation layer, this layer it will focus enriching the data like any lookups, associations, those objects. Only reporting layer means it is the propagation layer, reporting layer, the analytical model creating purpose. Okay, this is the things it is the actually the once it is the create objects here, this share option is available. Okay, share the object from here to here, after that here to here, after that here to here. Okay, we'll do that like that. Okay, here it is one space, right? It is the, but it is one space means space to space. Here see, select this, share this, 4 spaces, right? Select that space, this object will share. Okay, I will share it for anyone. I will share. What is the option are available? We'll see. Share. Yes, share option will come. Like that, one space to another space, we will share the objects. Shared. Why it is not showing share option? Okay, refresh it. Actually, here share option will come. Remote connection. Release status. Somewhere it is the option will show. Share option. Not showing. This is the trial version, right? It is not showing, but share option will come. Okay. This is the way replication flow and import always it is the remote tables, won't store any physical data, physically won't store any data. Local table means physically store data. Okay, in the next video how to create the graphical view, after that the associations, how to create the test view, after the dimension view, after that it is the hierarchies. Okay, level based hierarchy, external hierarchy, parent child hierarchy, like that, right? One by one. First it is the, what is the test view, test association, dimension association. After the dimension association, how to maintain the previous discussed based on the level based hierarchy, but real time how it is work, it is the explained in the next video. Here it is discussed import and replication flow. Okay, next video, these remote tables and local table, it is a fact table. This one, how to create the fact, how to modify the fact table, how to dimension table, test table, we'll discuss one by one in the next video.